Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Some of the students did this activity with us during their live class. We are forwarding this video for all the other students and the remaining ones who haven't got these completely. If you have any doubt, you can just check it out. Yes, first of all, I am preparing a paper folding activity. How? देखो. First of all, do this fold. If you don't have any colored paper, you can use any white sheet, any newspaper paper. No worry about that. Please don't go out of the home to bring any paper. Please don't go out. You must have a square paper only. Size depends on you, but shape must be square in this way. Okay? That when you fold it, you get no extra paper. When you fold the square paper in triangle shape, no extra paper is here. Then it will be your square paper, beta. I hope my words are clear. This is the first fold. Now, this is your second fold. Here it is your third fold. I did it. And now the fourth one fold. From which part I have folded? From the closed one. जहाँ से बंद है वहाँ से I have folded it 4 times. Okay, I will repeat one more so that it must be completely clear to you. Then you will cut from this shape, beta. Here. The smaller one triangle, not the bigger one. If you will cut it from the bigger one place, then you will not get the exact shape. You can just check it out. If you open it, you will get a beautiful flower. Okay, here is it. Let me do it once more to make it completely clear in front of you. First of all, do first fold. Here it is. Done. Now take your right hand. Do every fold from the right hand. Second fold. Here it is. And my right hand is on this side. Closed one side. Then one more fold. 3 folds are here. 3 folds have been done by me. Now the fourth one fold. Here it is my fourth one fold. Now you can change any shape. I am just cutting it in a triangular shape so that it must be easy for you. Yes. Now you can get it. Open it. You will get this flower. Okay, you can make flower of different sizes and then paste one above the other. Then you will get this beautiful rangoli or design, you can say. Clear among all? I hope my first activity is clear by paper folding and doing a little bit cutting only. Okay, then next one activity is here. We will make by only paper folding. We will not use any scissor in that. Okay, keep it aside. First of all, triangle, as it is must. Triangle is must to cover your square shape. It is must na. Here we get one diagonal. We are getting one cross. Then fold on the next position. Then we will get one more cross here. Here is one X among us. Then you will fold it in this way to get 1 plus 1 and one more 2. You did 2 folds to get 1 plus. Okay, now we have plus and cross both, isn't it? We have now this is the first fold I am doing. Now my activity starts. That was only a basic. Okay, here this presentation starts now. First of all, fold it. First fold, then you can see this line. Here is a line. Put your finger here, then index finger of the next hand, means right hand, in this way, and here your thumb. I hope my each and every position is clear to all of you. Everything is clearly visible. Okay, how this shape is looking, dekho, you can see here open, but here nothing is here. Keep it clear in your mind, beta. Do it very carefully. Now turn it. Again you can see one straight line here. Keep your thumb here, index finger of right hand in this way, and get it settled down. Get this triangle settled down here. Yes, here it is. We got this triangle. How? Open from this side and open from this side also. Clear? Yes, it is clear to you. Now what will you do? You will fold one, see here, two. But if you feel it is complete, no, it's not complete, because it is not giving the shape of fins. If fins की shape नहीं दे रहा हमारे, then what will we do? We will open it again. Here you are getting this. You are getting this slanting line. Now you will fold half of it. You will make a fold half to it. Not on complete fold, half to it. And similarly half here. You can check it out. This slanting lies in on some distance now. Okay. Similarly now you will fold this. It will cover it. And if you turn it, here is your fish. You can paste an eye or you can draw an eye here. Here is your fish. Ready? Clear? I hope these two are clear among you. You can make a hanging. You can hang all these fishes colorful and make a wall hanging or a circular hanging. Okay? All of you will be happy to see. We have drawn two things. हमने दो चीजें बना ली अपनी. We have prepared two things. One with the scissor and other without scissor. And one more thing I wish to prepare among you. मैं एक चीज और बनाना चाहती हूँ, but keep that clear in your mind that some folds are difficult. So you have to watch the video again and again. You have to repeat. So don't get panic. Don't get distracted. No, I'm unable to do. I can't do this. Leave it. Mama will do. My father will do or my brother will do. No, no matter. You have to try it. Don't worry. You will be able to do that. Okay. First of all, make this fold. It is necessary as you have to get this shape. Then open it. Okay. Next is fold this. I hope my all folds are clear among you. सारे folds बिल्कुल clear होंगे. Next one is here. You have got these two folds clear. Okay, then next one. What will you do? Now you will make a fold here in this way. One and two. But you have to open it. You will fold it, but you will open it after getting this slanting lines. Okay. Now what will you do? You have to fold it twice. One and two. It will be tail of our bird. it will be tail of our bird. So you have to do these two folds. One and a smaller one, two. Okay. Now do it in this way. Here it is. This fold is done here. And you are getting it. Be careful. It will be harder one. But be careful. You can do it, beta. No problem, no matter at all that how you will get it, but you will get it. Don't worry. And don't feel panic that I am not getting it. Here it is. In this way. Then this fold means outer side. Outer one. You have to fold it in the outer space. And this is not the tail, so fold it in this way. Yes, in this way. This will be tail now. Okay. Here. You will get it. Okay. Then, अभी हमें open करना पड़ेगा because we have not got the beak of our bird. Fold it till this point. Remember it. Till this point only. It is here. Then again close it. And you will get it in this way. Yeah. And here it is. And your bird will be ready with you. How? In this way. Yes. Here is your swan. Here is your swan. Here is your eye. It is clear to you. I hope it is clear in front of you. Even if you have any doubt, we will prepare another video for you. You can only ask us that please tell me. I am unable to prepare it. Okay, bacha? Bye-bye. Take care and enjoy all these activities.